My name is Janet.
Oh, nice to meet you, Janet. How are you?
How are you?
Fine, thank
How
you.
are you?
Fine, thanks.
Galūnė.
Thanks.
Galūnė.
Fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Where are you from, Janet?
I'm from London. Where are you from?
I'm from Madrid. Are you British?
Yes, I am. Are you Spanish?
Yes, I am. Are you married?
Yes, I am married and I have 2 children. 2 boys. What about you?
I'm divorced.
Jungia, divorced. A neturim.
I'm divorced.
Taip, divorced.
Divorced.
Taip, niekada neturim. Jinai tiesiog čia galūnė nesidaro būtai laiką arba būtai. Divorced.
I'm divorced and have one daughter. She lives with her mother. That is your job.
I'm a teacher. I teach
Primary. Paskui tarimą vėliau.
Primary school. What do you do for?
Jeigu pasakė do, tai ir toliau tas tas žodis.
What do you do for living?
I am an architect.
Architect. Ir sujungiam I am an. Nesakom I am an. I am an.
I am an architect. I travel a lot for my work.
Neskubam.
Nice. I adore traveling.
How old are you, Janet?
Koks nemandabus klausimas.
I am 25. And you?
I am 54. You are so young.
I am sorry. I have to go.
O kur au buvo?
Huh?
Au?
Oh,
Būtinai.
oh, I am sorry. I have to go. The lesson starts in 10 minutes.
Nice to meet you, Janet.
Nice to meet you. You too, Peter.
Dar kartelį, nes kažkaip...
Nice to meet you too.
Kodėl tų? Nėra tokių tų. Anglų kalbos. Štai. Nice to meet you too.
Okay. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Iki pasimatymo rytoj arba pasimatysime rytoj.
Bye bye, Janet. Wish you a nice day.
Gerai, šaunuoliai.